Good morning, class 6. This is computer class. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 5. So our chapter number 5 is presentation visual effect. In this chapter, we will learn about the presentation software Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, we will see that what is presentation software. So a presentation software is used to display information in an attractive and effective way in the form of slideshow. So you all know that children that if I will explain you anything, any topic, and if I will show you that topic also visually, then it will be more effective, means you can understand in a better way. So this presentation software provide us the facility so that we can represent our ideas, our views in an attractive way, means we can make our presentation more attractive, more effective, so that people can understand our views. Mainly, this presentation software is used in schools and business world when we have to represent our ideas in front of the people. Okay, so mainly it is used to create professional presentation. So that's why it is very useful in the schools and in business. Okay, and it can in this way, with the help of presentation software, we can show our creativity also. In class 5 also you have learned something about the presentation. Mainly you have done some presentation work, simple presentation work, and you all have some ideas about the Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is the presentation software package which is usually used to display the information in the form of slideshow. Okay, so in the form of slideshow, we can present our ideas. In the Microsoft PowerPoint, there are different views. There are different views in PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint has mainly 6 type of views. First one is normal view. Second is slide sorter view. Third is notes page view. Next one is slideshow view. Next is reading view. And last one is master view. One by one, we will see these all types of views. First of all, we will see about the normal view. So normal view is the main editing view, means where we can write our presentation, where we can design our presentation. So all the work can be done only in the normal view. We can create our presentation in the normal view. Normal view has again 4 working areas. Okay, next normal view has also 4 types of working area where we can do our work. First one is outline tab, second is slides tab, then slides pane and notes pane. So one by one we will see these all. In Microsoft 2010, there are uh, um, 6 type of views. First of all, we will see about the normal view. So when you will open your presentation in normal view, means this is by default, it will already come in the screen, on the screen. So when you will start the normal view, you will get the screen such like that. Okay, and there are 2 types of pane. This is the slide pane and this is outline tab. Okay, this is the outline tab. You can see here with the help of arrow I have shown here, this is the outline tab. Okay, so outline tab will allow you to start writing your content. So it will capture your ideas, and in this way you can plan that how you want to present the your ideas. Okay, So outline tab mainly allows us to show our slide text in outline form. So you can see here, this is the outline form. What I have done here, classic menu for Office 2010. Classic menu means whatever you have done in your slides, it will show. Its outline, it will show. So this is the outline view. Okay. And next one, you can see this picture. Here you can see that how many slides you will make here. It will come in the form of thumbnail. Means all the slides will come in this area. In this area, all the slides will come in the thumbnail form. Here only one slide is here, so only one slide you can see here. Otherwise, how many slides you will prepare in your presentation, those all slides will come in this slides tab. Okay, this area is known as slides name, and this is the outline tab. Next, this one, this complete area, this white area is known as slides pane. Okay, this complete one, this is known as slides tab. And when you will start your presentation, such type of layout will come. Click to add title, click to add subtitle, means this is the text box. This is the area where you can write your text. So this box type area, this is known as placeholder. Okay. And this is outline tab. Outline tab already I explained you here. This is the outline tab. This type of pane will appear when you will click on outline tab. Okay. And this is the slide thumbnail form. All the slides will come in the form of slide thumbnail. And this is the complete is the slides tab. This is slide pane. Okay, slides tab. In slide tab we can rearrange, add or delete slides from here also. This is complete is the slide tab, and if you want you can click on that particular slide, and when you will press the delete button it will delete. Okay, and if you want to arrange you can move here also slides. Okay, and this one is this complete area is slide pane. In this slide pane, uh, uh, on which current slide you are working, it will show the view of that current slide. You can add here text if you want to add here pictures from clip art or from your file. If you want to add some graphics, if you want to add here table, those all things you can do here only in slide pane. This in this area you can add text, you can add pictures, you can add tables. So everything you can insert here, all type of charts, text boxes, sounds, everything you can insert in this slide pane only. Okay, and this one last, this is the notes pane. Here you can see here it is written here click to add notes. So this area is known as this small area is known as sorry, this horizontal area is known as notes pane. Here you can write the notes related to your slides. Related to your slides you can write here, type here notes, and you can apply in your current slide. Okay, for each slide there will be different note pane. For each slide you can write different notes. For first slide different notes, second slide different note, third slide different note. For each slide you can write here note. Okay, and this note you can print also. When you will when you want to take the printout of your presentation, then you can take out the printout of your notes also. Okay, so related to your slides you can write the notes in the note pane. So this is the outline tab, slides tab, slide pane, and notes pane. This is the main working area. I have shown here some more, these are the placeholders. Okay, and if you want you can move from one slide to another slide also by clicking on them. So these were the idea about the normal view. So how you can go to different views. Here there is a in Microsoft PowerPoint, this is the view tab. This is the view tab. When you will click over here you will get here, by default it is the normal view. Okay, but you can click on different views and you can start work on that also. Next one is you can see here, this is the normal view, then slide sorter view, then notes page view. So next one we will see about the slide sorter view. Okay, this is the slide sorter view. If you will click over here, all the slides, these all slides will come in the thumbnail form. Like in normal view, you were getting all your slides here in thumbnail form. In slide sorter view, this is the slide sorter view. In this way, all the slides will come in the thumbnail form. Here I have 6 slides total. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All slides will come here in the form of thumbnail. If you want to move, this is also possible. I, I just change their positions. This is now also possible. Now this is fifth and this is sixth. Okay. So if you want, you can move here also. Yeah, you can see here. Now exchange their positions in this way. If you want, you can change their positions also in slideshow, in slide sorter view. Okay. Next, this is very helpful in slide transition, and this slide transition topic we will see in our next video. So here, first of all, you learn about the normal view and slide sorter view. Okay, these two views today I am explaining you. Next two views I will explain in my next four views I will explain in my next video. Okay, so for today I explained you that what is the normal view, and in normal view there are four working areas, mainly four working areas: outline tab, slides tab, slide pane, and notes pane. One by one I explained you everything. Okay, uh, with the help of, this is the view of 2010, Microsoft 2010. Okay, I explained you about the outline tab, slide pane, and also I explained you about the outline tab, slide pane. Okay, so open your book. This is given on, these all details are given on page number 49 and 50. On these two pages, you will get about the information about normal views and slide sorter view. Okay, for next topic, you will learn about the, you will read about the notes page view, master view, slideshow view, reading view, which are given on page number 51 and 52. Okay, and in the homework, what you will do, in the homework you will read these these two views properly. Okay, and page number 58, question number 1a, this is your homework. Okay, how many views are there in Miss PowerPoint? Name them. This is your homework, today's homework. Okay, so you will do that in the notebook, fair notebook. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till that time, have a nice day.